So yeah, let's have a closer look. We've modified the steel base plate in order to get it level, because the previous one base plate is completely skew and the gate motor would have leaned over towards the gate, and no one wants that. So yeah, cool. We'll put in this one. Right, let's look at the other side. Gate motor serial number is engraved here. Both nuts are welded to the anti-theft bracket ears. Again, proper welding. Another 5x50 flat is welded in. So good luck to the guy who wants to steal it. There you can see the serial number on the gate motor. Just turn it a bit. Serial number, client's details, cell number and address. Same as on this side. Let's get the sun to work on it. There we can see it. Great stuff. We take the serial number here as well. The serial number of the power supply, the controller card. Behind that, we've also burnt out client's details, gate motor serial number. Lekker man, let's fit it. So you can see that the gate motor is parallel with the steel sliding gate. The gate motor is upright, it's level. And it's welded down extremely well. Well, you can see, let's come around this side. It's completely welded. Right, we're looking at the starter bracket, properly welded, 600 millimeters away maximum. It's normally 550. All properly welded. Origin marker must be welded into place. Must support the steel rack at the back. There's your origin marker. Let's quickly program the remotes. Press and hold. Limits, we go one up. Add remote, yes. Trigger, yes. Time bar, no, yes. Press first button. Right, second button. Third button. Fourth button. Sorry, fourth remote. Then exit. Right. Please test the remotes. Let's quickly test them. First remote. Cool. Press it. Right. Cool. go. Press. There we go. Right, let's see how it runs. Let's get a closer view. You'll see that the motor is standing dead still. There's no vibrations. You can also hear in the power used by the gate motor that it's not struggling at any point in time. It's running very smoothly. Yeah. So let's see it from the side. You can see that the gate motor is parallel with the steel sliding gate, and hopefully it does not catch me on the opening cycle. Let's see. You can see that again, the gate motor is not vibrating at all. It's dead still. You can see here and see that the gate motor is running smoothly.